In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image to a PowerPoint slide. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you want to add a background image. This will ensure you're working on the correct slide from the beginning. Once that's complete, look towards the top of your screen and click on the Design tab. This tab contains various options for customizing the look and feel of your slides. Next, you'll want to locate the Format Background option on the far right of the toolbar. Clicking this will open a new panel on the right side of your screen, providing you with several background customization choices. From here, select the Picture or Texture Fill option within the Format Background panel. This action allows you to choose an image to use as your slide's background. With that out of the way, click on the Insert button under the Picture Source section. This will open a dialog box where you can browse for the image you wish to use. Now navigate through your files and select the image you want to set as your background. Once you've found it, click Insert to apply the image to your slide. Finally, take a moment to adjust the image settings if necessary. You can tweak the transparency or offset settings to ensure the image fits perfectly with your slide's content. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, close the Format Background panel. And there you have it. You've successfully added a background image to your PowerPoint slide.